Hello and welcome to Yoga with Rachel. I have exciting news for you. Join me for a free 7-day morning yoga challenge starting Sunday, April 4th, 2021 at 9 a.m. Toronto time. Our final day will be Saturday, April 10th, 2021. You can join in at any time throughout the day, the week, or even the year. These videos will remain on YouTube, so there's no expiration date. So drop in whenever you can, whenever it works best for you and your schedule. Even though these practices are labeled morning yoga, you can do them in the afternoon and also into the evening. Each class is approximately 10 minutes in length. I am a firm believer that a little bit of movement and intention setting can go a long way. This can be a really huge game changer in relation to how we feel physically, mentally, and even emotionally first thing in the morning. All levels are welcome to join, even complete beginners to yoga. Each class will have its own focus, in other words, something that we are working towards. So you may be asking yourself, why join this morning yoga challenge? What are some of the benefits? Well, here's a few. Receive a boost in energy first thing in the morning. Engage in gentle stretches to get relief from sore and stiff muscles. Build strength throughout the whole body. Improve mobility. Reduce stress levels. Improve focus, which then can in turn enhance productivity. Improve mood. A morning yoga practice encourages you to check in with yourself by noticing how you feel. It brings about awareness to the breath, which can calm a busy mind. By practicing daily, you are gifting yourself with some you time. This is a great way to demonstrate love and appreciation for yourself. And finally, this is a great way to establish a consistent morning yoga routine to help you move better and feel better. By the end of the challenge, you will have 7 classes that you can return to, selecting a class that best suits your needs, goals, and interests for that day. This is a great way to engage in movement daily and to also empower you to make yoga a part of your morning routine. You can sign up for this challenge by visiting my website, yogawithrachelmarie.com. By signing up, you will receive a copy of our weekly schedule, some more information about the challenge, a PDF guide to using yoga props, and a guide for developing a strong meditation practice. Please note that you do not need any items for this yoga challenge, not even a yoga mat. My email to you will explain this a little bit more. The best way to stay connected is to subscribe to Yoga with Rachel and also ring that notification bell. Click on all so that way you are notified whenever I upload new content to the channel. I encourage you to share this video with others. Invite your friends, your family members, colleagues, or even your neighbor. Everyone is welcome to join. This challenge is completely free, no strings attached. This is simply a gift of daily mindful movement. Let's start our day with yoga. See you on the mat. Take good care. Namaste.